Hello guys, it's me Nasim Imran. Today I'm going to show you how to get more subscriber and more likes in your YouTube channel. So for that I'm going to YouTube. Now I'm opening browser and just click to the YouTube. This is my channel, and just before that click to the video, and after clicking to your video just edit it. Hello guys, once again after editing I'm adding here a lot of text. This all text that I will remove it and I will add newly. So here I will show you that this is my video that how to recharge through Paytm with debit card. So here I will show you that how to get text. To get text, then you just have to go here, like by clicking over here, just copy your title, put any titles that is related to your video. Then I'm clicking here and I will search here text youtube.com. It's a website that you can find any kind of click and just paste it, and after that click to the get text. This facility is not only for computer PC or not only for computer, it's also available for Android phone, and also you can do this in your phone also. It's easy, and just click here like this, just click and select, and after that I have copied 27 text, so I'm clicking here and it's must, and after that click to the copy and go to your browser and just click here and just paste it. But I'm using another software also. About this software I will tell you in my next video. By doing this I'm just inserting my text, those text I have copied. So it's more than 500. Okay, and after that you just save it. By doing this guys, I am 100% sure that your video will be in the top rank. So just like I'm going to search here this copy on YouTube, and after that I will search this how to recharge through Paytm, and let's see in which rank my video is. Here is a lot of video. Here is my video in the 1, 2, and 8, 9 in 9 rank. It will increase whenever you have done this process. Your video will be come at the top by any means as soon as. Lastly, I just want to say that please don't forget to click my channel for subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon for latest update and notification. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.